Hey everyone, it's Alexa, indie hacker, solopreneur obsessed with AI, robotics, startups, and building things that actually work. Today I want to talk about founder sales and can AI replace the most annoying part of founder sales. I used to think sales is mostly about charisma and calls. Like if you can speak well, explain value, ask good questions, be confident on the call, okay, you can sell. But now I think the call is only a small part of the problem. Most founder sales die before the call even happens, not because you're bad at talking, you just lost the context, didn't qualify the person, didn't understand if they are your ICP, and you didn't send the right assets to them. And just chatted in DM until the conversation died. And then you're like, why am I talking to so many people but still don't have clients? Because you're not selling, you're just swimming in sales chaos. The most annoying part of founder sales is not the call. Calls are fine. The nightmare is everything before and after the call. So you just don't understand who is the feed, who's just curious, whom I should follow up, whom I should send Zoom assets, and they just disappear, right? And when you are a founder, all of this is usually not in a clean CRM. It can be in your Twitter DM, Telegram, comments, notes, memories, screenshots, everywhere. Beautiful founder life. I'm in the same. I can understand you. And then people say, like, just write to more people. Okay, thank you, genius, but if you don't have a system, more messages just means more chaos, more unfinished conversations, more forgotten follow-ups, people you didn't qualify, and contacts you lost. So volume without system is not growth, it's just accelerated mess. And that's why I understand that sales it's not about soft skills, right? It's about qualification, about follow-ups, pipeline, knowing your ideal customer profile, knowing what to ask next, what to send next, and knowing when you should stop wasting your time. But normal workflow is just first understand who this person is. Do they have money, right? Do they have pain? To ask qualified questions, 3 or 4 qualified questions is enough. After that, you can just send assets, you can send your deck, you can send Loom. So just to understand, do you actually have a fit with this person, right? But if you don't have a fit, just move. And that's all. Stop chatting with them, right? But if they do, offer a call, invite to a task, do a follow-up. And this is where AI can actually help, not in a cringe way. I don't want AI to pretend to be me and spam 500 people with some dead message like, hey dear founder, I noticed your impressive profile. Please no, I would block myself. I don't want AI sales bots that make the internet even more disgusting. I want AI to help with the annoying operational layer, sorting DMs, understanding who might be ICP, suggesting qualifying questions, remembering context, reminding about follow-ups, and suggesting what asset to send. So basically not replacing founder brain, replacing founder chaos, because I should not manually remember 50 different conversations and think, wait, did I send this person the Loom? Did I ask about budget? Did I promise to follow up tomorrow? And this is exactly the routine AI should take. So can AI replace the non-selling part of founder sales? I think yes. Not the whole sales process. AI should not replace relationship, right? Customer understanding, strategy, negotiation, closing, being on the calls, but it can replace manual qualification, context tracking, following ups, reminders, sorting, and the classic, who the fuck is this person again? And this is already huge because founder sales usually doesn't fail because you're terrible in calls. It fails because you never get enough qualified people to calls. And that's why I'm building xCloser, not because AI sales sounds trendy. To be honest, I don't even like most AI sales tools. A lot of them I feel like, let's automate spam and destroy everyone's inbox. No, thank you. I'm building xCloser because I need it myself. I need clients, I need to test products, I need to talk to founders, I want to grow and distribute my product, qualified leads, and move people from interesting to let's test or let's have a call. And I don't want to manually live in DMs, to be honest. I like to be focusing on building the product. Okay, and right now I'm taking 5 founders for free testing of xCloser. I need founders with real sales pain, you need client, you lose leads, forgot follow-ups and stuff like that. And you're tired of manually chasing every potential client. And yes, I just want you to test my product and send me feedback. Do you like that? Not just do you like that, I need to understand what works, what is stupid, where AI helps, where AI sounds like an idiot, what we should change, and what actually helps you get clients. Baby, one more time. So, main point, AI should not replace you as a founder, it should replace your stupid manual part of founder sales. Drowning in DMs, losing context, forgetting follow-ups, and pretending that I talk to many people today means progress. Because it doesn't. Progress is qualified leads, calls booked, follow-up sent, people onboarded, and clients closed, not just DMs activity. So yes, I think AI can replace the most annoying part of founder sales, not the human part, the manual chaos part. And honestly, that's exactly the part I want to kill. Okay, that's all. Future Alexa drink, future Alexa coffee, future Alexa everything. And xCloser, 5 founders, free testing. If your sales process hurts, DM me. Bye.